All right, I want to get you straight on what we have for weather headlines heading into the night tonight and into your Friday morning. We have a winter weather advisory for the counties you see highlighted in blue. The snow developing out west will move in our area this evening and through the overnight with some measurable snow. But the bigger system comes Friday, particularly late on Friday and into Saturday morning. We have the yellow counties here that are under a winter storm watch. Heavy snow, gusty winds over 40 miles per hour will be possible. Here's a look at our Dakota Magic Casino cam, part of the Storm Team Skycam network. We have some wind and clouds, but look at the snow-free ground. Not all of us will see it stay this way as we go through the next couple of days. Here's a look at your current conditions as we look at Hector. 30 degrees today on a chilly day with a west-northwest flow at 8 miles per hour. 28 in Moorhead and a lot of 20s, even teens now for Cavalier and Langdon as cold air punches in from the north. 32 Wahpeton Breckenridge. Right now, Bemidji, you have 28 with Roseau, a degree cooler. Here's a look at the skies filling with clouds here in the northern Red River Valley. A few showers of snow showing up on the radar in and around Grand Forks. But the main event back here for tonight as we see some heavier snow blossoming out near Williston and Minot. And if we can, we'll take a look at our Skycam network shot right now, live from Williston. This is what it looks like. It's not heavy and it's not coming with a ton of wind. They're getting a light dose here. We could see even more as we go into our day tomorrow. But let me show you what we're seeing on the radar here. This trend of this snow band to follow Highway 52 right into the James River Valley and south and east as we go through the evening. So these are the areas that the radar is showing things developing, and I think we're going to see the loftiest snow totals. So we're talking New Rockford, Carrington, right through the James and Cheyenne River Valley, Fargo, Moorhead. While Grand Forks and northwest Minnesota should be fairly quiet tonight. Also, we have some heavier and enhancing moisture down in south central North Dakota. That could enhance a band moving along the South Dakota border as we go through the overnight. And our model does depict this. It does not have all of the Minot flakiness yet, but has this band moving right through these valleys and another band setting up that will push its way into and along the South Dakota border. So by 10 o'clock tonight, the Southern Valley should see an increased chance of snow. Temperatures holding in the upper 20s, but it will be very chilly up north, although dry. Now, as we go through the overnight, the snow continues to work its way into central Minnesota and along the South Dakota border with some heavier bands of snow there. That's why I think we may see a couple of areas of enhanced snowfall totals from this system. And as we go towards daybreak, most of the snow should be exiting out towards St. Cloud and Duluth. And look at the cold air moving in. Rolla, start your day on Friday with 3 below. We could be near that in Langdon as well. Holding in the teens for many down to the south. Now, as we go through most of our Friday afternoon, it looks very quiet. North wind will keep us quite cold. We'll be chilly. So the snowflakes that develop late in the day out west, well, pardon me, they won't be here yet. But as we go into the afternoon, our western counties will have an increased chance of some snow developing. The main event happens on Friday night. More on this in a second. But right now, let's show you the first round of snow. 1 to 3 in a fairly narrow band here through the I-94 corridor, the Highway 200 corridor, and points south. I think because of the trajectory of things, we could see some enhanced snow here in southeast North Dakota. So you're not out of the woods yet. Another enhanced band along the South Dakota border. Here is a look at your planner for Fargo. 15 to start your day. 27 the high temperature in the afternoon. As we take a look at temperatures elsewhere, we'll see teens up north with 20s down south. Friday night and Saturday, particularly late as we go through the overnight, very heavy snow and winds gusting to 40 miles per hour could create near blizzard conditions, but it happens overnight, so try not to travel overnight. Most of Saturday just looks cold and windy with blowing and drifting snow, and the snowfall potential from this system focusing on the same place, central Red River Valley. 6 to 10 inches of snow in isolated locations, many of us picking up 3 to 6. It'll be cold, windy, fluffy snow, possible near blizzard conditions. Here's a look at your planning forecast. This horse, of course, says Crookston's looking flaky. Most of the snow, though, will be to the south of you in Crookston. 19 for Saturday, as we'll see most of the day quiet. Better travel conditions in the late day into your Easter when it will be below 0 for many of us for sunrise surfaces. And then snow chances each and every day next week.
Okay. Thanks, Coach.
You bet.